The average walking speed, r, of people in a city of population p can be modeled by the equation r is equal to 0.37 times the natural log of p plus 0.05, where r is in feet per second and p is in thousands. Part A. The population of New Orleans, Louisiana is 384,000. Find the average walking speed. Well, using our equation, r is equal to 0.37 times the natural log of p plus 0.05, we're given the population of New Orleans, Louisiana, to be 384,000. But looking back, we know that p is in thousands, so we'll only use 384 when we substitute this in for p. So this gives us r is equal to 0.37 times the natural log of 384 plus 0.05. Typing this in your calculator, you should arrive at about r is 2.252. So rounding to the nearest tenth, we see that the average walking speed is about 2.3 feet per second. Part B. Chicago, Illinois has an average walking speed of about 3.0 feet per second. Now we're asked to find the population. So this time, we're given r. So we'll write 3.0 is equal to 0.37 times the natural log of p plus 0.05. Now we need to solve for p. Well, first we'll subtract 0.05 from both sides of our equation. This gives us 2.95 is equal to 0.37 times the natural log of p. Next, we need to isolate the natural log by dividing both sides by 0.37. This time, I won't type this in my calculator because I don't want to use a rounded value while we're still trying to solve. So I'll go ahead and leave this as 2.95 over 0.37 is equal to the natural log of p. Well, this is written in logarithmic notation. If I rewrite it in terms of exponential notation, then that will isolate p. So remember, the natural log is the log base e. So rewriting this gives us e to this power of 2.95 over 0.37 is equal to p. Typing this in my calculator, it gives me approximately 2,901.47. Remember, this is a population, and it's already in thousands. So using only two significant digits, we'll see that the population of Chicago is approximately 2,900,000.